Hi students, this is Viswanath Chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In last class, we completed relative contribution to resonating structures. From that, we can understand all the resonating structures cannot contribute to the same extent to resonance hybrid. Some contribute more, some other contribute less. That means more stable resonating structures can contribute more than less stable resonating structure. So for some resonating structures, stability more means its energy is less. So in this way, resonating structures do not have same energy. They have different energies. Now a resonance hybrid. In between these resonating structures, we can get resonance hybrid. The energy of resonance hybrid is less than any of its canonical structures or resonating structures. Suppose for a molecule, 4 resonating structures are there. All these resonating structures energy is different, not same. But resonance hybrid for that molecule having less energy than these 4 resonating structures. Now come to the resonance energy. So it is defined as the difference in energy of most stable canonical structure and resonance hybrid is called resonance energy. Listen carefully. The difference in energy of most stable canonical structures, most stable canonical structure and resonance hybrid is called resonance energy. So we can write this one, resonance energy. Resonance energy equal to energy of most stable canonical or resonance structure, canonical structure minus energy of resonance hybrid. Energy of resonance hybrid. Say this is energy increasing and canonical forms of a particular molecule. First one, second, third and fourth. This is resonance hybrid. These are canonical structures. So for a molecule, 4 canonical structures are there and a resonance hybrid. So these 4 are canonical structures. It has least energy among all the resonating structures. From first structure to fourth structure, their energy is increased. Resonance hybrid having low energy than all these 4 resonating structures. So the difference in energy of most stable resonating structure in all the 4 resonating structures, first structure energy is less. So it is the most stable canonical structure for this molecule, and now energy difference between this structure and this structure is called resonance energy. So resonance energy is more, then that particular molecule is more. That means energy difference is more. These two, energy difference is more. That means resonance energy is more, then that corresponding molecule having more stability. Okay. Now resonance effect, say this. Resonance effect means the polarity produced in a molecule by the interaction of 2 pi bonds, or interaction between a pi bond and lone pair of electrons. Interaction between a pi bond and a lone pair of electrons from an atom or group attached to a conjugated system is called resonance effect. Listen once again. Polarity produced in a molecule by the interaction of two pi bonds or interaction between a pi bond and a lone pair of electron present on a system or group in a conjugated system is called resonance effect. This resonance effect is also called mesomeric effect. Mesomeric effect. But a small difference is there between mesomeric effect and resonance effect. Mesomeric effect can observe only in pi electron systems. Only in pi electron system we can observe this mesomeric effect. But in case of resonance effect, we can observe even in sigma electron system also. Even in sigma electron system also, both sigma electron system and pi electron system, we can observe resonance effect. Example, say this sigma electron system example, cyclopropyl methyl cation. Cyclopropyl methyl cation can exhibit sigma electron resonance. See the structure? This is the structure, CH2. Now, at this carbocation, carbon atom having positive charge. See here. This positively charged carbon atom having an empty p orbital. Empty p orbital. So this empty p orbital can interact with sigma electrons of this bond. Here between this carbon and this carbon, sigma bond is there. Between this carbon and this carbon, sigma bond is there. Here positively charged carbon atom having empty p orbital. So interaction develops between empty p orbital and sigma electrons. Due to this, shifting takes place. See here. These sigma electrons are shifted here, then we can get this one. Positive charge is shifted here, this one. Otherwise, this one. These sigma electrons are shifted here, we can get this one. Positive charge developed here, this is CH2. So, in this way, sigma electrons are involved in the resonance formation. So, this type of resonance is called sigma resonance. Sigma resonance, because sigma electrons are participated in this. Okay. So, this is a major difference between resonance effect and mesomeric effect. Now, say this plus R effect, ORR plus M effect, positive resonance effect or positive mesomeric effect. It's very simple. The transfer of pi electrons takes place away from a group or atom attached to a conjugated system is called plus R effect. The transfer of pi electrons takes place away from a group or atom attached to a conjugated system, then it is plus R effect or plus M effect. This type of plus R effect is exhibited by some groups OH, OR, halogens, NH2, NHR, NR2. In this way, these groups and NHCOR, this one also can exhibit plus R effect. All these are examples for plus R groups. OH, OR, halogens, NH2, NHR, NR2, NHCOR. We can observe this plus R effect in aniline. Aniline means NH2 group attached to the benzene ring, that is called aniline. Here, interaction takes place between lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen atom and pi electrons in the benzene ring. Say this, these pi electrons are donated, shifted here, lone pair of electrons are shifted here, then pi bond shifted here, then we can get this type of structure. So negative charge developed here, double bond developed here, positive charge developed here, and in the next step, pi pi electron shifted in this way, then we can get this type of structure. Positive charge, and then in this manner negative charge, positive charge, finally it is shifted here, it is shifted here, then we can get this one. Okay, so in this compound we can observe interaction of lone pair of electrons and pi electrons, and this lone pair of electrons are moving away from this group. So we can say NH2 group exhibits plus R effect. Next one is minus R effect, negative resonance effect, or minus M effect, negative mesomeric effect. We can define this minus R effect. Transfer of electrons takes place towards an atom or group attached to a conjugated system is called minus R effect. Transfer of electrons takes place towards an atom or group attached to a conjugated system is called minus R effect. Example exhibiting this minus R effect. What are the groups means? COOH, CHO, C double bond O, CN, NO2. All these groups can exhibit minus R effect. See the example, nitrobenzene. NO2 group attached to the benzene, that is called nitrobenzene. Here between nitrogen and oxygen, oxygen is more electronegative. This pi bond shifted here, these pi electrons are shifted here. Then we can observe this structure. It becomes double bond. Actually, two lone pairs are there. Here, three lone pairs and a positive charge. Here, negative charge and positive charge. Again, shifting takes place here. We can get this type of structure. Nitrogen, negative charge. Here, again here. Then we can observe this one. Positive charge. Single bond oxygen. Finally, this lone pair shifted here, this electron shifted here, then we can get this structure. This is nitrobenzene resonance structures. These are nitrobenzene resonance structures. Okay, two lone pairs. So in this way we can observe resonance effect. Okay students, we'll meet you in the next class.